Hello, it is so exciting to be finally on the road to getting started. I'm Alison Clyde, one of your Ideal tutors, and I'm going to show you around some of the key areas of your Moodle platform. After you've watched this video, I would encourage you to spend the first few days getting familiar with the course before starting on the actual module work. This way you'll be much more comfortable in moving around. If you do have any technical glitches, please remember to contact Mariano Sanchez, who will try and resolve any of your glitches as soon as he possibly can. So the first thing I'll ask you to do is to update your student profile. And you can do that by going to the top right-hand corner, clicking on your profile link, and then going down to edit profile. You can see that mine's already filled in. Go to the edit profile button and you should have a page full of empty boxes. Please do put in your name, email address, a short description or as big a description as you'd like, but also I would really ask you to put in a picture because it's really nice to be able to imagine the person that you're talking to when you're doing an online course. Once you've finished, go down to the bottom, click on the update, and it will take you back to a page where you can review. If you're not happy, you can go back into edit until you're happy with what you have actually on your page. So now you're ready to go back to the course. So you would go to the top where it says My Courses, click, and this will take you back to the home page of Edition 2. Now in my email, which I sent to you last week, you'll see the welcome introduction films from the tutors, which I'm hoping that you'll have had a chance to watch. You're already in the introductory directions for the tutor. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into the all activities. So let's go and have a look at the activities that you're going to be taking part in over the next 8 weeks. So here you'll see a drop-down list of all the different activities for Module 1, Module 2 and Module 3. Now what I would say is really key and is really important that every time you finish an activity, you have to go and click the box. If you don't click these boxes, you will not be able to progress to the next activity. It just won't allow you to go on to the next lesson. So please do always remember to come back and click to say that you have completed that activity. We'll now move on to the Course Cafe. Have a look at this. So click on your left hand side and it should, there we go, into the Course Cafe. We ask all students to make at least 2 entries into the Course Cafe. This is through the duration of the course. This forum can be used to raise any topic that you would like to discuss. And both students and tutors will come here and chat about any aspect of the course, any aspect about your question, respond, etc, etc. I've actually put one in just to kick it off, and it's about why our intergenerational connection is important. You might want to then go into the library, the Ideal Library. There is a wide range of resources in the library. If I click on here, I'll just show you the opening page. There's loads of reports and strategies and toolkits. There's films, there's case studies, there's intergenerational programs, examples of programs as well. So there is so much to see in the library. If there is a particular report that you want to keep, please do make sure that you download it and you save it, because once the Ideal course is finished, you won't be able to come back onto the platform to receive the. So let's go back to the link bar on your left hand side. We've covered the Course Cafe and the library. The structure for Edition 2 includes an introduction, then the section about this course, which involves information on the background of why we're doing the course, gives short briefs on each of the modules, talks about the duration, the evaluation and the accreditation. Once you've finished that, you're then ready to go on to your 3 modules, Module 1, Module 2 and Module Module 3, and then on to the final course evaluation. But before we actually look at the modules, I just want to go back to the little boxes that we clicked before. So if you go to the introduction box, introduction link, and click and open the page, once you've actually read this page, you'll notice at the very bottom it says, now go to the section about this course. However, don't forget to mark the introduction. So if you click that link, it will take you back and you will see that you have to click this progress box. So you have to click and then you're able to progress to about this course. And the same, once you've finished reading all the different pages in about this course, you have to come back and click the box before you're then able to go to Module 1. So when you open up Module 1, it will actually tell you if you are able to link it. So you'll see here, it says your learning outcomes Module 1 is not available unless the activity welcome message, a very warm welcome, is marked as complete. So if we go back to the welcome message, we will notice that when we were watching the films, or you might have missed this because you've seen it through the email, it's really important that you click on the box before going back to start your Module 1. So now we go back to Module 1 and you'll see that the module lessons are there for you to start. And that's the very same for as you work through each individual lesson in Module 1, 2 and 3. Now, if you look at there is a lesson, there is a links bar on your right hand side. So please don't just look at your link bar on your left hand side, look at your link bar on your right hand side as well. The last few tips I have for you regarding the platform is about the grading and the competencies. Can't even say that word. Please don't worry about any marking comments or grading comments. This course will not be graded. It will be a simple completion or uncompletion at the end of your 8 weeks, but your tutor will really keep you on track with that. When you're progressing through the modules, you can do that on your own time. We would ask you, though, at the end of Module 1, not to jump into Module 2 until you have feedback from your tutor. That's just making sure that you're on the right track and that you've not missed anything in that module. We will also have a guidance on finishing Module 1 by end of week 3 and finishing Module 2 by the end of week 5. So that's a kind of guide for you to judge the pace of which you should be going through. We have introduced some online discussions with your tutors during week 2 and week 5 that we hope that you will take part in. We've given you 2 time frames times to be able to come and join us, and we hope that you're able to do that. The last thing I want to look at is the badges. We will be issuing badges, and these will be issued on the successful completion of Module 1, 2 and 3. So that's it from me. Oh, in fact, one last thing. I just wanted also to say that the course contents are actually written up as a PDF. So if you go down to course contents in PDF, click the link, you will be able to then download each of the sections of the course. That's it from me just now. I really do hope you enjoy the course. I hope this introduction to the platform has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing how you get on over the next 8 weeks. Thank you and enjoy.